On March 12th, Northvolt officially filed for bankruptcy, marking a dramatic end to Europe's ambitious pursuit of battery independence. With the announcement, the 6 billion Swedish kroner investment from Sweden's national pension funds was completely wiped out, directly affecting the pension savings of Swedish citizens. The company's collapse quickly sparked uncomfortable questions about accountability. When former founder and CEO Peter Carlsson, previously a Tesla executive, was questioned about profiting from Northvolt, he dismissed the question outright, stating, "I don't want to comment on that. I find this a stupid question." His response left many in stunned silence. Initially, Northvolt represented immense hope. The company attracted over $10 billion in investments and secured orders valued at an impressive $55 billion. Positioned strategically as Europe's response to China's dominance in battery manufacturing, Northvolt promised a predominantly European supply chain and a green economic revival. However, beneath the optimistic facade lay significant vulnerabilities, not only for Northvolt, but for Europe's entire battery industry. Firstly, they faced critical supply chain challenges. Companies like Umicore and BASF excelled in producing ternary cathodes. But crucial components such as lithium iron phosphate, LFP cathodes, graphite anodes, and electrolytes lacked adequate local suppliers. Despite Northvolt's ambitious goal of a 90% European supply chain, actual local sourcing reached only around 35%, resulting in heavy reliance on imports from China. Secondly, Europe critically misjudged technological trends. Its early focus on NMC ternary cathodes, while overlooking lithium iron phosphate, proved strategically wrong. In China, the world's largest electric vehicle market, LFP batteries accounted for approximately 70% of shipments, powering giants such as KTL and BYD. In a frantic attempt to catch up, Northvolt prematurely ventured into sodium-ion batteries, diverting its resources and focus before properly mastering production of either LFP or ternary lithium-ion batteries, ultimately derailing its strategic direction. Additionally, Europe struggled severely with an engineering talent shortage. Although prestigious universities in Europe produced groundbreaking electrochemical research, they lacked skilled professionals capable of converting laboratory breakthroughs into large-scale battery production. Consequently, European battery manufacturing remained predominantly at the laboratory scale until recent years. Lastly, Northvolt's downfall was largely driven by its own operational mismanagement. The company's choice to establish its first gigafactory in Skellefteå, a remote northern Swedish town near the Arctic, with limited industrial infrastructure, led to soaring costs and severe logistical challenges. Reports of frequent accidents and safety violations further hampered production, compounding existing inefficiencies. Coupled with overly ambitious expansion plans and mounting construction delays, these issues created a cycle of financial strain from which Northvolt ultimately could not recover. Now, Sweden and Europe face critical decisions as Northvolt's collapse highlights the need for resilient supply chains, skilled workforces, and realistic industrial goals. Should governments again burden taxpayers to rescue ambitious projects, or accept bankruptcy as a necessary warning?